Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation. Sometimes priorities change and, based off of opportunities. And this is kind of what this unboxing is all about. But I'm not really going to discuss that right now. I'm just going to show you what's in it because I think, in a sense, this kind of stands on its own. It's a moderate deal. This is from AppMex. And let's take a look inside here as we unbox. This is their standard flat box that they send with such items as this. And as is the case, typically what happens is they have a package within a package here. So we're going to open it here and remove contents. This is the sharp knife that I got from Laura Blade. This thing does a wonderful job at cutting into things, which is just wonderful. Very good. There we go. The package within a package. Right there it is. Okay. And we will begin to sever the package here so we can remove the contents therein. Oops, looks like we cut into the paperwork, which is never a good thing if you want to preserve that. Let's see here. We'll look at that off camera here. No, it's not damaged too bad. But what we're looking for is what's here. That's right. It is a Canadian maple leaf here. Platinum Canadian maple leaf. Now let's pull this thing out and take a look at it closely. Yes, indeed. Purchased from AppMex. And there it is. Beautiful. One of my favorite bullion coins is the maple leafs. And I'll tell you why I like the maple leafs from the Royal Canadian Mint. They are, especially in gold and platinum, because they are 30 millimeters in diameter, and which means they're smaller in size, a little bit thicker. Although, since platinum is so dense, it's not as noticeable here with the platinum as it is with the gold. It is measurably thicker in the gold, but having a thicker piece or a smaller diameter makes just for slightly easier storing, taking up less space, and that is the case too with the silvers. The silvers are 38 millimeter. In diameter, and this is 30 millimeter in diameter, but nonetheless it is quite a pickup here. You have a lot of value in a small package here, although platinum is obviously pretty cheap right now as far as cost, and that is why I picked this up for sure. Platinum is a bargain right now. In fact, when I placed this order, it had just before the price dipped to a record low, and so I took the opportunity to buy based off of that premise. And this one, they had only 3 in stock, and this is the first year that they came out with the platinum maple leaf with the security features, and that brings me to the next reason why I purchased this. Is because it is the first year of the security features, meaning the radial lines and the micro engraving here, where you see the little maple leaf privy mark here, and the year inside of the privy there. It's kind of tough to see here unless I can bring it in a little closer. In fact, I don't even know. I'm trying to think. Is there a 15 in there? Do you see that? I'm not sure what that is in there. That's interesting. It's supposed to be a 15 in there, but I really don't see a 15. Do you? I'll have to look at that under a loop. In fact, I may do that now. We may have an interesting oddity here. I'm very curious about that, because if that's the case, if that thing is not a 15 and it's something else, it may be something unique to the platinum, and I may have to compare with another version of it. But let me see if I can find a loop. Now, if I look at this through a loop, you're not going to really be able to see it, I won't be able to really show that clearly on here. I'll try, because I don't have my magnifier with me, because that's a plan for a different video. But we're on stream of consciousness here in this unboxing today. We're discovering potentially something either different with the platinums, coins, or an error, possible error. But let's see here. I'm going to look at this. Okay, I see it now through the loop. I think the camera's not showing it correctly here, but let me see if I can focus this one more time. Because it's a little difficult to see through the camera. But if I bring this here and see if I can somehow show this here. Let's see here. It's even a little bit difficult to see there. Let's see if there's a way. I'm trying to find a way to conveniently focus this while I'm it doesn't really show up there. That's strange. That is very odd, but I can see it through the loop outside of the camera. But it is not showing up here. Oh, there it is. There you can see it. There's the 15. Do you see that there? Raise your hand if you can see that. All right, I see that hand. I see that hand. Okay, but there's another guy that's not... Donald in New Mexico can't see it. Let me see here. Let me see if I can bring this into focus. This is very strange. Let me pull this away. Let me find another. There's got to be... Yeah, that's weird. You can't see it there. Unless you turn it, maybe that... It's kind of small there, but it's kind of... It's there. Trust me, it's there. Anyways, so there's that. So we've just wasted a bunch of time trying to find that security mark, but it's got a reeded edge. It is 1 ounce of pure platinum, and I would probably do a separate video explaining why I purchased this particular coin, as opposed to my original goal for 2019 with regards to gold. My gold goal has been offset a bit by this purchase, but a little easier in the wallet, though, to get one of these. But platinum is quite a fascinating metal, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about that, and I've spoken about it in prior videos, too. But it is the densest of the precious metals that we have come to know and love. All of the ones that are tracked via... the precious metal websites such as Kitco and the like measure gold, silver prices, as well as platinum and palladium and rhodium. And of all of those metals that are tracked price-wise in the, quote, investor precious metal markets, this is the densest of them all. And some people think that I'm dense. So if people think I'm dense, why not just go in full bore and get a dense metal to match my personality? And that's exactly what I did, and that's the biggest reason why I purchased this, is for my dense personality, so I can get a dense precious metal. Platinum, there it is, a platinum maple leaf. It is the smallest in diameter of all of the world bullion coins out there, both in gold and platinum, and it is the most obvious with security features too. As the earliest adopter of using security features on such a piece, This is definitely the first Royal Canadian Mint is second to none when it comes to that. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video, the unboxing of a platinum maple leaf. I would like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching and encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.